If you've ever looked in the mirror or stood up from a chair and thought, wow, that felt harder than it should, you're not alone. Aging doesn't sneak up overnight, but it does show up in small ways like stiff joints, weaker muscles, and lower energy. The good news is you don't need extreme workouts to slow that process down. In this video, I'm going to coach you through 5 anti-aging exercises that help you stay strong, mobile, and confident as the years go by. And the 5th one is a real game changer if you want to feel younger in your body. Hey, welcome back. I'm your coach for today, and my job is to help you move better, feel stronger, and build habits that actually last. Anti-aging exercise isn't about looking a certain way or training like an athlete. It's about keeping your muscles, joints, bones, and posture healthy so everyday life stays easy and pain-free. By the end of this video, you'll know 5 simple but powerful exercises that support strength, balance, bone health, and circulation. This is an educational and follow-along style video, so you can pause and practice if you want. No equipment is needed and everything can be done at home. I'll share beginner-friendly options and small tips to make each movement safer and more effective, even if you haven't exercised in a while. Let's jump into the first and most important anti-aging exercise. Number 1, squats. Squats are one of the best movements you can do for long-term health. They work several large muscle groups at the same time, which is exactly what your body needs as it ages. When you squat, your glutes, front thighs, and inner thighs do most of the work. Your core and back muscles step in to stabilize your spine and keep your posture upright. This matters because strong lower body muscles make daily life easier. Standing up from a chair, climbing stairs, lifting groceries, or getting out of a car all rely on this movement pattern. Squats also support healthy joints. When done correctly, they help keep your knees, hips, and ankles strong and coordinated. Another major benefit is bone density. Squats load your bones in a healthy way, which helps reduce the risk of osteoporosis. They also improve blood circulation, delivering oxygen and nutrients to your muscles and joints, which supports overall vitality. To perform squats correctly, stand with your feet about shoulder width apart. You can stretch your arms straight out in front of you or place your hands behind your head. As you inhale, slowly lower yourself down, sending your hips back and keeping your chest lifted. Pause briefly at the bottom, keep your back straight, then exhale as you stand back up. Aim for 3 sets of 10 controlled reps. If you're a beginner, use a chair behind you for support. If you're advanced, slow the movement down or add a pause at the bottom. Number 2, plank. The plank is one of the best exercises for strengthening your core, which plays a huge role in anti-aging. A strong core supports good posture and helps reduce back pain caused by weak or imbalanced muscles. When your posture improves, you move more efficiently and put less stress on your joints. Planks also improve overall body tone and balance. Balance becomes more important as we age because it helps prevent falls and injuries at home. This exercise also gently stretches muscles and tendons, which supports flexibility. There's a mental benefit too. The plank is a static hold that requires calm, controlled breathing. Many people find it grounding and almost meditative, helping clear the mind while strengthening the body. To do a plank correctly, lie on your floor and place your hands shoulder width apart. Set your feet about hip width apart. Bend your elbows and place your forearms on the floor so they're under your shoulders. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Avoid lifting or dropping your hips. Engage your abdominal muscles and breathe steadily. Start with 3 sets of 30 seconds. If that's too hard, drop your knees. If it's easy, try extending the hold or lifting one foot slightly for a challenge. Number 3, lunges. Lunges are another powerful anti-aging exercise, especially for the lower body. While many people think of lunges as a glute exercise, they also work your thighs, shins, core, and even your back muscles. That full body involvement makes them incredibly effective. One big benefit of lunges is how they help relieve stress from the lower back. If you sit for long hours, your back often takes more load than it should. Lunges strengthen the muscles that support your spine, which can reduce lower back discomfort. They also improve coordination and posture because you work one side of the body at a time. This trains balance and symmetry, both of which decline if we don't practice them. Lunges also increase flexibility in the hip flexors and burn a good amount of energy, which supports fat loss and lean muscle maintenance. To perform lunges correctly, stand with your feet about shoulder width apart and your shoulders relaxed. Take a wide step forward. Your front knee should bend to about a right angle and your back knee should lower toward the floor without touching it. Keep your core tight and your spine neutral. Push through the front heel to return to standing, then switch sides. Perform 3 sets of 10 reps total. Beginners can shorten the step. Advanced exercisers can add slow tempo or extra reps. Number 4, Push-ups. Push-ups are one of the best upper body anti-aging exercises you can do. They work your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core all at once. This helps preserve muscle mass, which is important for preventing age-related muscle loss. Strong upper body muscles support your bones and joints and reduce the risk of injury. Push-ups also improve the function of your heart and lungs by challenging your body to work as one unit. Over time, this supports better stamina and endurance. Another overlooked benefit is joint health. Push-ups improve mobility and stability in the shoulders and elbows, which are common problem areas as we get older. They also train balance and body awareness because your muscles work together to keep your body aligned. To perform push-ups correctly, start in a plank position with your body in a straight line. Place your hands shoulder-width apart under your shoulders, feet together or slightly apart. As you inhale, bend your arms and lower your chest toward the floor while keeping your core tight. As you exhale, press back up to the starting position. Aim for 3 sets of 10 reps. Beginners can use knee push-ups or an elevated surface like a bench. Advanced exercisers can slow the lowering phase for extra challenge. Number 5. Glute bridges. This is the game-changer exercise, especially for anti-aging and long-term comfort. The glute bridge targets your glute muscles, particularly the gluteus maximus, while also strengthening your core and thighs. These muscles are essential for stabilizing the pelvis and supporting the lower back. Strong glutes help reduce chronic lower back pain and are often used in rehabilitation settings for a reason. When these muscles are weak, your lower back tends to overwork, leading to discomfort and stiffness. Beyond pain prevention, glute bridges improve posture and movement efficiency. They also support better walking mechanics and balance, which directly affects how young you feel in daily life. To do a glute bridge, lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Place your arms along your sides with palms facing down. Tighten your glutes and exhale as you lift your hips, forming a straight line from shoulders to knees. Pause briefly at the top to feel the muscles working, then inhale as you lower down. Perform 3 sets of 10 reps. Beginners can hold for a shorter time. Advanced exercisers can add single leg variations. The big insight. Here's the most important takeaway, and it's what makes these exercises anti-aging. It's not about intensity or doing more, it's about consistency and quality of movement. These exercises train your body to move well, stay balanced, and remain strong in the ways that matter most for daily life. When you practice these movements regularly, your body adapts by becoming more resilient, confident, and capable regardless of age. Take a moment to breathe and relax your body. Roll your shoulders gently, take a slow breath in through your nose, and exhale fully. What you did today supports strong muscles, healthy joints, better posture, and improved circulation. These 5 exercises help you move with ease, reduce aches, and maintain independence as you get older. If you stick with movements like these, your body stays active, your confidence grows, and everyday tasks feel lighter. Aging is inevitable, but feeling weak and stiff doesn't have to be. If you found this video helpful, take a second to like it so more people can see it. Subscribe to the channel for weekly fitness and health guidance, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future workouts. Comment below and tell me which exercise felt the most challenging or which one you want help improving. When you're ready, watch the next video on this channel to keep building strength, mobility, and energy for the long run.